Hello students, this is numerical that calculate the temperature. Calculate the temperature at which volume of 28 gram of nitrogen, 28 gram of nitrogen at 2.46 atmosphere becomes 10 liter. Nitrogen, mass of the nitrogen is 28 gram, volume is 10 liter, pressure is 2.46 liter. Given first pressure is 2.46 atm, volume is 10 liter, mass of nitrogen is 28 gram, molecular mass of nitrogen will be 14 into 2 is equal to 28, and R is already known, that constant 0.0821 liter atm Kelvin inverse mole inverse. You have to calculate the temperature. Formula you have to use is PV is equal to W by mRT. This formula is to be used for solving the numerical. P is 2.46, volume is 10 liter, is equal to W is 28 gram, molecular mass also 28, R is 0.0821, and we have to find the temperature. T is equal to 2.46 into 10 into 28 upon 28 into 0.0821. You have to solve this. 28 will be cancelled. 0.0821, 2.46 into 10 upon 2.46 into 10 upon 0.0821. After solving this, you will get the answer. When you solve this question, this data temperature will be in Kelvin. It will be 300 Kelvin. When you solve this, answer will be, temperature will be in Kelvin, that is 300 Kelvin. You have to substitute the 273 minus 300, you will get 27 degrees Celsius, the final answer. This is numerical that 180 ml, that is the volume of unknown gas is diffused or diffused in 15 minutes. Timing has been given at 15 minutes. Under the same conditions, 120 ml of sulfur dioxide will diffuse in 20 minutes. What is the molecular mass of unknown gas? This numerical is based on the Graham's law diffusion. First of all, you have to identify the data what's given in the question. That is, for unknown gas, volume is 180 ml and timing of diffusion is 15 minutes. No need of conversion into seconds. And for sulfur dioxide gas, other gas is sulfur dioxide, volume is 120 ml. V2 is equal to 120 ml. and timing is 20 sulfur dioxide 32 plus 16 into 32. 32 plus 32 becomes 64. It is M2. And you have to calculate the M1. Now, formula which is to be used in this question, you have to use this formula V1 into T2 upon V2 into T1 is equal to root square root of the M2 upon M1. Now, volume V1, that is 180 into T2 is 20 minutes. V2 is 120 ml and T1 is 15 minutes is equal to square root. M2 has been given as 64 and you have to calculate the M1. 0, 0, 2, 6 the 12, 6 to the 18, 15 to the 30, 2 is equal to under root 64 upon M1. Now you have to next calculate the question. This is calculate this one and get the answer of M1. Next numerical is that the ratio of diffusion of two gases is 3:1. The ratio of diffusion of two gases is 3:1. What is the ratio of their molecular weights? I mean to say R1, R2 has been given as 3:1 and you have to find out the ratio of their molecular weights. Formula will be R1 upon R2 is equal to square root of M2 upon M1. That is 3:1 is equal to square root of M2 upon M1. Now squaring both sides. Squaring both sides, you will get 3 square equal to M2 upon M1. Because square also that will be cancelled out. 9:1 is equal to M2 upon M1. It means answer M1 upon M2 will be 1:9 or 1:9. This is the final answer.